So hello team, this is Salesh. Let's continue with the topic. We have the debate today's topic: how to handle the drop downs. To handle drop downs. So let's start. Let's take a website. So we have one website like this. We have the website. This is demo website basically. So we have this website. When I click onto this, it will scroll down. You can see this is basically my drop down list. Okay. So when I click this, how it works. So let's see how it works. When I click this, it will come one by the arrow keys up and down. So how to handle this? By this, we have a logic first. First, we can click over here. Second, we can click over here. Third, again, if I want to click on Wednesday, I can click on this. Again, I have to click on Thursday. I can click on to Thursday as well. But let's see how to handle it properly, correctly, automatically. Coming to this first, right? Now I'm taking this URL to open my website first. Let's open my website first and then we can move forward. So I'm just writing system dot set property web driver dot chrome dot driver. Now, where is my Chrome driver path? So let's search it. I have already saved my Chrome driver path over here. In a C drive, we have a Chrome driver path. So I'm just shift plus right click. I'm just copying directly the path, copy as path, and just pasting over here. I've already pasted and end the line with a semicolon. Now there are two double inverted commas. So I have to remove this. Again, I have to remove the slash. Again, I have to click over here. Here also I have to do this. So it should contain two slashes only. That is two. We have only two slashes. Please check it properly. Okay. Then I'm creating web driver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Save it. Then driver dot get, and I have to put this website URL. So I have this website right now. Let's put this website URL in this and save it. So when I open this, right click, run as Java application. So my website will open and it will navigate me to this website. Now, coming to the second one. So now we have to handle this drop down. So how to handle this drop down? Let's see how to handle this. So just, I already done this, right click, inspect, this window will open. Okay. Now just click onto this arrow. It will come automatically blue. When it comes automatically blue, I have to come over here and I have to click on this drop down. Now, when I click onto this, again, I'm repeating, I have to click onto this arrow. It will come automatically blue and I have to click over here. If when it comes blue, I will just give me 1 second. When it comes blue, I can click over here, this. Now it is selected. So whenever you see select class form control XYZ like this, if you can see this, right? So whenever you see this, so you need to click onto this arrow. So it will show you whole your drop down list over here. Okay. So it will show a drop down list into this. It will show a drop down list, right? So it will show a proper drop down list. Select class. So whenever you see a select class over here, so now, okay, select class over here. So it's by logic, we have to use it select class. Now ID, I'm just picking this ID. Coming to this, now started writing the code to handle the drop down. It's so simple, it's so easy. Select, right? I'm just writing the name drop down. Okay, equals to, then new select. Now I got this ID over here. So I'm just putting this ID into this and ended with a semicolon. Now, this is I created for my select class. Now just pick this drop down, simply select dot, okay? Select, we need to pick this drop down, select dot, okay? Now we have a visible text, select dot, okay? So we have select dot visible text over here. So I'm just putting over here, select dot visible text. So what is visible text? Visible text is the text which you can see. So coming to this website, this is a text I can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I can see all text over here. So this is my visible text. Okay. So this is my visible text. What is value? So we have three things over here. The first is we have select by visible text. Let's make it again. Select by index, select by value, and select by visible text. So what is value? What is visible text? I'll tell you. So we have visible text, the text which you can see over here. So you don't have to copy from here. You can go over here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the black, all you can see in a black, you can just copy that. Second, what is value? Value in this, put in the value, we can see the value over here, Sunday, Monday. So right now in this website, we can see value and the visible text are same, right? But values are in maybe in numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, the values which you can see in the visible text. So I'm just copying this Sunday. So now you can see select drop down, new select driver.find alone. I have given this ID that is select demo. So from where I have given this ID, let's coming to this again. So I saw this ID. When I click, you can see my cursor is navigating to whole drop down over here. So I found this ID, select demo. Now coming to this, what is visible text? The text which we can see. So right now I can see the text over here that is Sunday. Second, I can see the text over here that is Monday. So like this, we have a text. So let's save it. First, open the website. You can see Sunday is by default selected, right? So it's so simple to handle a drop down. Now, if I wanted to select Tuesday, let's coming to this. Okay, let's come one by one. That is Monday. See it? Okay, coming to Tuesday. Let's see one by one. Now, these are the visible text. So when I click this, right click, run as application, you can see it's selected Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll show you the slow as well. Okay. Now I just click onto this. I have a second method that is called as value. Select by value. So we have the value. Suppose I am putting this Thursday. So you can copy this value, that is option value. We have this values. So you can just copy this value. Visible text, you can see at the next. Okay. Right now, both are the same, but you can just properly shift it to one by one. Okay. So this is visible text. This is value. Now let's coming to this. Okay. Now I'll show you how it works slowly. So I'm just adding a thread.slip concept over here. Thread.slip. And I'm just putting over here the 2 seconds, that is in a long milliseconds. So it is 2000 over here. I put it, add throws declaration. Now I'm just putting over here. Save it. Okay. So now we have Sunday. Okay. After Sunday, it will wait for 2 seconds. Again, Monday, it will wait for 2 seconds. Tuesday, it will wait for 2 seconds. Okay. Thursday, and it will wait for 2 seconds. This is just I'm adding to show you a proper. Right click, run as Java application. Now you can see it has selected Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can see Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whichever the values I have given, it is by default selected. So now this is the way you can handle the drop downs. If you have any confusions, let's ping me. Thank you. Have a nice day.